Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now I have some stories lined up today, you know what I mean? We are going to talk about Shenseea Freestyle. We're also going to talk about Rebel, TC, and Pretty Cow. I can't call them Team Spice again, right? But we don't know who me I talk about, right? And also, you know what I mean? Tifa open a restaurant. I just have a little thing on that. And then TJ up top boss, you know, he make a video. So we are going to get into that too, right? But people, let's start with Shenseea. So yesterday, Shenseea uploaded a freestyle video to her Instagram account. And when I say freestyle, I don't know what I talk about. She just play a beat and then she just do the lyrics. Some people are going to say it is right already or not. But people, unfortunately, you know what I mean, as excited as I was to show it to her, she removed it from her Instagram. So I gotta do the right thing. I can't show it to her, but you know, for the people that must see it already, I know say you kind of figure out why she removed it, right? So she posts on her story and say the video wasn't reported. She archived it, right? So we know for the one that must see it, we kind of understand. Me kind of have my little theory as to why she removed it, but me not really say. So the people I'm going to mention it in the comment section anyways, right? So that's why I go on with Shenyang. But it was a good freestyle overall still. Let me know one thing for the one that was see it, right? So people, let's move on to Pretty, Rebel, and TC. You know what I mean? Despite what go on with them and, you know, Spice, them still a do them thing. Them still, the three of them still a move as a unit together, it seems like. So them still a upload them video them to social media, you know, to mostly Instagram. I don't know if they upload nowhere else, but me have a video for sure, no. And for the people them where, you know what I mean, kind of older, maybe the younger one them not get it, but the people them were kind of older when I go understand right away. So take a look at this video by Rebel TC and Pretty. Here goes.
Yes, Naya. Cool na aya. Who am I? It's just the girl them sugar. All right. Here I know. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Hey! Sima, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I make love to a fella in a rush? Pass me the keys to my truck. Who am I? The girls them lock. And I, we make love to precious. Look. You ever buck a girl with deep like a bucket? Draw for your niggle and your niggle can't stitch it. Draw for your oxen like a cow, you wanna chop it. Draw for your...
Attitude people, more while than now, go back to some old picture and see some of the parents them with some style. Have a laugh more while. Oh, but I wonder where them get them clothes they from. You see me I say, but big up all three of them. You see me I say, love them vibes. So people, let's move on and talk about Tifa. So I want to say a big congratulations to Tifa. So I see this post on the Jamaican Star, and it says that she's opening a restaurant. So this is what it said. It said, dancehall entertainer Tifa has started 2021 on a new entrepreneurial journey with plans in place to open a restaurant in Florida. She made the announcement a short while ago via her official Instagram page. Cheers to the brand, new chapter beginning and phase of my life. Promise to give you great food, awesome drinks, and memorable experiences. Dulces, Jamaica, and everything coming soon. Shared Tifa under a photograph of herself signing official documents. So when you see what go on, yesterday I'm telling you say Yannick I want my fair restaurant as well. So I love to see how the ladies them are going, you know what I mean? Them are move on to business beyond music, and that's always a good thing. You know, I wish them the best in their endeavors, and I hope it work out for both ladies. You see me, people, let me know what you think about this. You know what I mean? If anybody in the Florida area, I think it's around Fort Lauderdale or somewhere around that from the location on see on our post, but I'm not 100% sure. You can always check out the page, and I think it is at Dulces, Jamaica, right? So, and you can just go up on Tifa page and you'll find all the links them, right? So that's where the restaurant is gonna be. But like me said, you can go check it out on our page if you're not interested in dining there or find out about it before it officially opens, right? So people, let's move on and talk about TJ, the up top boss. When you know say TJ are one of the artists them when are really afraid to express himself. The man upload all kind of video on him Instagram where him a dance and him a do him thing, him a cook. I just TJ that. You see what I say? You know, enough artists them have them kind of ways, you know, very reserved, and them not gonna really show you certain part of them and how them stay them full personality. TJ are one of them people. So Mr. TJ upload a video yesterday, and TJ there by the waterside just a chant, you know what I mean, a sing out the song. So we're gonna show now a little piece of it. Here goes.
Morning, I woke up and I looked in the mirror and every part of my body was in place. Many people died and never saw this day. So another day I live, I appreciate. Don't ever wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I can fall down on my face. So in everything, Lord, I give you praise. And that puts a smile on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, yeah. Don't pass it by, let us unite, we got our lives and let's go. It's a beautiful day, yeah. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, though I walk through the valleys of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil, won't be dismayed. When I see the clock ticking away and things are not in place, everything in life happens for a reason. Disappointment comes with a lesson. It's for me to get wiser, got to work harder. In the end, it will get better. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Please don't pass it by. Let us unite. Stop the lights, so let's make it right. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, man, so big up the up top boss. So people, let me know what you think about these stories, right? What you think about Shenseea removing her video, why you think she removed it, right? What you think about Tifa restaurant, big up Tifa and her restaurant also. Congratulations, still a congratulations. You see me I say, and don't forget about Rebel and TC them, and say something about TJ as well. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you for watching. Big up.
2021 Alpha Run Right and Big D Promotions in association with the Power Circle presents Alkaline Live.
In a system we are create waves like the ocean, yeah.
You heard right, Alkaline live in concert Saturday, February 20th, 2021 at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Falkenberg Road, Tampa. Alkaline Live. Also performing Insidious and more artists to be added. Alkaline live in concert. Make it a date Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live. All of Florida coming out for this. Advance tickets start at $50. Get your tickets now on Eventbrite.com and all Caribbean outlets throughout Florida. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live.
After all, dog and us are weird.
You're deaf.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.